Welcome, boys. In this video, I'm going to keep it short. My video has been far too long for you guys. All right. In this video, we're going to talk about semi-metals, okay? And if you look down here, here are the semi-metals in green with these two in blue, which are like, maybe semi-metals, maybe not, depending on which scientist you ask. And these two over here, aluminium and carbon. Okay. Anyway, semi-metals. Let's get going. Semi-metals are solids that have some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. There are very few semi-metals. Okay. So semi-metals, they're like metals, they're like non-metals, they're in the middle there. Okay, so the properties that define them: semi-metals look like metals, but they are brittle like non-metals. Brittle means they can snap easily. So if you take a non-metal, you can just snap it and it breaks easily. But they look like metals and they can sometimes conduct electricity. Okay, they're called semiconductors. All right. Examples of semi-metals are boron, silicon, and arsenic. Arsenic is quite poisonous, and silicon is very useful in our day-to-day life. It makes this right here possible, okay? All right, so let me talk about semi-metals and what's cool about them. Semi-metals make good semiconductors. Semiconductors are materials that conduct electricity only when they're heated up, and that is very helpful for us because semi-metals are used in these. They're used in computer chips and phone chips and things like this, okay? I'll talk more about that now. Oh, my camera's gone crazy because of me holding it up too close. All right. Microchips are made up of wafer-like layers of semiconductor materials such as silicon. Computers, smartphones, and other electronic devices would not be possible without the small collection of semi-metals on the periodic table. Semi-metals are really cool. They help us with so much, and they've helped us in so much that we're doing. Okay, so this video, you need to be able to tell me what makes a semi-metal a semi-metal. It has some features of metals, some of non-metals. It's shiny like a metal, but it's brittle like a non-metal, and some of them are semiconductors. They can conduct electricity when heated up. Those are objectives from this video. Now I want to talk about this quickly. Okay, so this is a chip, and what you should be seeing there is you're seeing all these lines in lighter green surrounded by lines of darker green, okay? Those are basically printed silicon, which is a semi-metal. Okay, and it can conduct electricity. So these things are kind of like wires running that can conduct electricity, but sometimes they don't. And that's what computers take advantage of. And they're able to use it to create these complex machines that we're using right now to communicate. Anyway, just thought that was cool, and that I'd show that to you. Have a great day, boys. Email me, hang out, meets. Just let me know if you have any problems. Okay, thanks, guys.